Here we have the all-new 2021 Subaru Crosstrek Sport. And this one comes in crystal white pearl. And it's got that all-new 2.5 liter 4-cylinder engine, made it to a CVT. That allows the Crosstrek to get 182 horsepower. I just love that paint. There's your front end there. And this does have your standard Subaru Eyesight. And there are your 17-inch aluminum wheels. Got passive keyless entry. And there are the controls for your power door locks, power windows, power mirrors. And over here you can toggle your blind spot, your auto stop. And this has that all new StarTex upholstery, so it's supposed to be pretty water resistant and much more durable than leather and cloth. Try and get back here. So pretty good space back here for the kind of vehicle it is. And with that StarTex, you really are able to have space here to move your legs behind the seat. And I'm 6'3", and I could fit in the seat in front of me and then sit back here as well. And I do love this upholstery, I really do. And it's really good for being outdoors and camping and things of that nature, which is what a lot of people get Subarus for. And even this trim here, just very, very sleek, and I really like it. So you've got plenty of trunk space here. Then if you want to pull the seat down, you just pull up here, then it'll fold down. You can fold them flat, and then you can just put it back up that way. And you've got all that additional cargo space. And there's your passenger side there. Now we're going to take a look at what's under the hood. There's that 2.5 liter 4-cylinder. So nice steering wheel there. You have AM, FM, XM radio along with Bluetooth audio. And then you also have Apple CarPlay along with Android Auto. And there's your backup camera there. And you've got your automatic single zone climate controls. And then down here, you've got your gear shifter. You press down, reverse, neutral, drive, then slide over for manual mode. And then you've got paddle shifters for that, if you so choose. And then you've got 2-stage heated seats for the driver and passenger. Then you've got your X mode, which you can toggle on and off for snow and dirt or deep snow and mud. And there is your Crosstrek key fob there. Got your emergency brake. And then you've got a nice center console storage there with 2 USB ports. And then up here, you've got your power tilt and sliding sunroof. And we're just gonna take another view of the back. With the seats folded down, you get all that extra space. And down here in your glove compartment, got plenty of space there for your owner's manual, insurance, things of that nature. And then over here, you can control your radio. And then over here, you've got your Subaru Eyesight. So you've got your adaptive cruise control you can set, your gap adjust for that. You also have your lane keep assist too. And you can toggle your SI drive. Then you have your push button start. And once again, your key fob. So next we're gonna go ahead and take this Crosstrek out on the road for a test drive. So I can tell right off the bat already with this newer engine that they've got in this Crosstrek how much faster it is compared to the older one. Because I've driven I want to say a 16 or a 17, and it did not have anywhere near that amount of power. And so far, the ride is really nice. Like, really nice. It's very smooth and controlled for a vehicle that can go with the best of them with its all-wheel drive in terms of snow and mud. Ooh, and the brakes are good too. And the CVT does a really good job at just making sure there's no loss of power anywhere. And the way the powertrain is set up, it's really going to come in handy when you do need to take it off-road. But so far, a great daily driver. Yeah, I can't get over how smooth this thing actually rides. And I didn't really have any sort of expectations for it because it's meant to be an all-wheel drive off-road vehicle, but it rides so well. Like, I have no complaints from this thing whatsoever. I'm gonna put it in manual mode and see what it does. So the quote-unquote shifts are seamless, and it really does help put out power. Yeah, it's just great driving experience. So I've got the adaptive cruise control on. And it already started stopping for me. Really can't say enough about this car. And this is the first Subaru I've driven in a minute, so I'm really excited to see how the rest of the lineup for 2021 does. And that was the auto stop just kicking on. And the blind spot monitors are pretty accurate too. And these paddles really are great. Like, you actually feel the difference being in the sport mode as opposed to just accelerating or letting the transmission do all the work. It's really good at just finding those rev points and making sure you're getting the output that you want. Just how this thing drives is just, I don't want to say it surprises me, but it's just so good. A lot of cars, you start driving them for the first time and you notice this, you notice that, but this right here is just, I've had no issue whatsoever, none. But that's going to bring us to an end of my review of the 2021 Subaru Crosstrek Sport.